The boat is fully loaded. Fully. Telling you, Catherine Deneuve. That's the name of the ship. Going up towards La Bastille and Tour Eiffel Tower. And the other one is leaving, as you can see. Fully loaded. Just check the guys. Yo, under the bridge. Ship is going under the bridge. As you can see. There's a lot of people here because this is a high season. Almost holidays. There's a lot of activities here. This boat is called Rive Droite. Ships everywhere, carrying people, carrying loads, carrying goods. Bateau mouche. This boat came up right now. Now it's gone again. There's a smaller one. I'm not sure. But this is a high season. They make a lot of money. And here we go. Croisière Panorama, Paris. Female drivers, they drive these two trucks. Now they're busy waiting for the offloading and then they'll go. Victoria 1, 11. Rich guy. The rich guy, man. Sailing alone. Wow. The Victoria 1, number 11. In this country, we've got a lot of female drivers. They are just right there, young ones, young ones. young female drivers. They drive these trucks.